It is not my country's duty to push me ahead. It is my duty to push my country ahead. These are the words of Major Dhyan Chand. Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I am going to talk about National Sports Day. August 29 is celebrated as the National Sports Day in India. It is the birthday of legend Major Dhyan Chand, one of the best sportsmen ever to have graced the game of hockey. Hockey always has a special place among Indians. Our generation sometimes look back with a sense of disbelief about the golden era of Indian hockey, when India won three Olympic gold medals in the field hockey in 1928, 1932, and 1936. That era was led by none other than Dhyan Chand, who scored 33 goals in 12 matches. Dhyan Chand was born in Allahabad to Sameshwar Dutt Singh. Dhyan Chand joined the Indian Army at the age of 16 and never played hockey during his childhood. Slowly, he was attracted to the game and progressed quickly to represent India. In the 1936 Olympics, Dhyan Chand displayed unbelievable skills with his hockey stick that a German newspaper carried a banner headline. The Olympic complex now has a magic show too. The next day, posters were displayed all over Berlin which showed visit the hockey stadium to watch the Indian magician Dhyan Chand in action. There is also a legendary story saying that his skills were so good and godly that in one instance his opponents went on to physically check his hockey stick. If there is a special glue which stick the ball to his stick. He scored over 400 goals in his career from 1926 to 1948. After putting his stamp on international hockey arena and have served his countries to reach his pinnacles of glory multiple times, Dhyan Chand passed away on 3rd December 1979. He remains a legendary figure in Indian and world hockey. The major noted memorial for him is the Major Dhyan Chand Awards, the highest award for lifetime achievement in sports and games in India, and National Sports Day celebration on his birthday. Sports develops a sense of friendliness among the children and develop their team spirit. It helps children to develop mental and physical toughness. Sports shape their body and make it strong and active. Children should actively participate in sports to avoid being tired and lethargy. This significant day is marked to spread awareness about physical activities, sports, and overall health. It is celebrated in academic institutions and sports academies by organizing different types of fitness drives and sports like hockey, football, marathons, walkathons, and so on. Friends, sports is a very important activity for students. It is one activity which can help us to develop multiple qualities like sense of togetherness, leadership skills, stamina, physical strength, planning and strategy, patriotism and teamwork, the qualities which help us to excel in life. National Sports Day is not only a tribute to one of the greatest in the game, it also reminds us the importance of sports in our life. Thank you. Have a nice day.